Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. In this video we're going to look at a nice built-in function of Python's called Enumerate. This function is simply used to generate a count of each value from an iteration of values. So to look at Enumerate in action, let's see the code block I've set up here first. There's a list of names: Muhammad, Haya, Bilal, Vijdan, Haris, Claris, and Paris. Now let's say you wanted to get a count of each name in this list. We can do so with the for loop code here. So there's an initial counter I as 0, the main loop for name in names, under which we add 1 to I per iteration, and then print out I and name. Running this code will show the list of names printed out in a number list fashion. So the first name, Muhammad, has its count as 1, the second name, Haya, is counted as 2, and going all the way up to the end with the 7th count for the name Paris. So this is an old traditional way of generating counts of values from iterations, and we can use the enumerate function to make the same as well. So we can simply remove the initial counter I here and use it in this little change for I, name, and enumerate names, leaving the same code block below. Running the program shows the exact numbered list of names in the console. So now you can see what enumerate does. It basically converts our collection or iterable to an enumerate object first. So an example of this object can be shown in the console here. And this object basically stores each item of our list in pairs with their index, starting with 0. To show this from our loop code, if I removed the counter I here, and also just keeping a print of name, running this will show the actual value stored inside this enumerate object. Now you can see what's going on here. So this is why we use two counter variables in our for loop, so that I and name can simultaneously fetch a tuple of the number and name, respectively, from this enumerate object. And I is incremented by 1 per iteration with I plus equals 1 here, so that we start counting our list of names from 1. The best part about enumerate is you don't even need to use this increment code to start counting from some number. Enumerate has an optional parameter for specifying a number to start counting from. Say we start from 1, printing this out will show the same list of numbers produced below from counts 1 to 7. Pretty awesome. So we can set the initial count as any integer, like 200, and we'll get our numbered print of values here from 200 till 206. Sweet. So this is the magic of the enumerate function, another handy Python tool for many programming tasks. Now you could also convert your enumerate object to any other data structure, so removing my loop code here and casting it to a list. Printing this out will show our list of numbered names packed inside tuples. The same thing can be done with tuple casting or making this a set. Sweet. With dictionary casting, this will convert the tuples in the enumerate object to keys and values. Key being the count and value being a name per item from our object. Pretty awesome, eh? I totally think that's awesome. And you can apply enumerate on any other iterable as well, like a range of numbers 0 to 7, say with count starting from 21. We'll get the following key value numbers as a dictionary here. Cool. So that's all for this video, just a brief explanation of what this legendary function does, and I'll probably show some more examples of using it in other videos. Alrighty then. I hope you found this video useful. If it was, give it a like or a subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have a good day, take care, and Assalamu alaikum.